content to the site. First thing you want to do is go to Webflow dashboard, log in with your Gmail account and your password. You will click login here. And so you're going to come to the dashboard where you're going to see all of your projects, specifically your Imef website. So you're going to want to open the designer, and then it's going to pull the whole website up, and you have a drag and drop and clickable way to add content as well as edit anything. So this is your home page. At any point you can come in and you can change images, text, knit links, whatever you want just by clicking on it. So if you want to change this text, you just double click and you can change it to, anything that you want. Same thing with the navigation. If you want to change these page titles, you just double click on them and you can change what it's called. These will all link to pages that have already been created. To edit any individual page, you just click this little icon here, and you have your home page, which is this one. You have your mission page, which we added the text that you provided. Again, double clicking opens up the editor on anything that you want to change. If you don't like this image, you can select this image, scroll down to background, and you can actually replace the image with a picture that you do prefer. Moving forward, I also added an education page, kind of the coming soon of sorts. Again, you can edit the colors, the text of each of these. How education gets here is through your projects. So these individual pages will populate every time you add a new project. Adding a new project is pretty easy. This is what each of them will look like. And so to add a project, you're just going to come in here into projects, new project. So as you get new education programs, as you request new grants, any new page that you want to build, you can give it a name, you can give them images, you can give them tags, descriptions, all here. And so I'm going to create a new project. Upload an image. Upload my second image. You don't have to do two if you don't want. And I'm going to give it a, new diabetes program, for Temple. And I'm going to give it a tag of CME. You can change these tags too here in project tags if you don't want that, but right now we're just going to create the project. So this project is available now, and it gets added to the site. You'll see here that it says stage for published, not published. This won't actually go live until you update the site. So you just come in here and you click publish. Right now we just have it on a basic domain just for testing purposes. But once you're ready, we can put it live onto your .org's website. So I'm going to publish here, and now my new project is available. So if you want to change the content, we'll just come into our projects and you can change the content. If you want to change the content on the new project, we'll just come over here into new project and we're going to call this diabetes. Whatever text you want, you can add and edit. As soon as you're done editing the text, again, you just publish. So here we'll refresh, and now your website has whatever content you've just created all on your site. Pretty simple. The last thing I'll show you is here. You mentioned writing things for patient education. The best area to do that would be your blog. We can change this title and call it, patient education. We'll save that. And now anytime that you publish a new post for your patient side, they can be published here. These are under collections, not projects. They have projects and you have collections. You go into your blog posts and we're going to write a new patient case. We'll just call it, some therapeutic area or, a particular drug or something that you're covering. Again, you can add images to this. You can give it a short summary, short patient summary of, some new drug. We'll just call this drug 2. And here in the body, you can write whatever info about the new drug or treatment or whatever you want. We're going to give it a category. I put some of these in here. You can add your own. Of course, I'm going to call this diabetes. And the author, we can create an author for you. I'm just going to create this as Melinda. You can add your profile picture, your bio, whatever you want. We're going to create that, change it to Melinda, create the blog post, and now it's ready to go live. Again, anytime you want something to go live, you just come into publish and you publish. So if I come into your live website, you'll see here we have this new patient case that we just added. And whatever you want to write about it, have your name, the category, the date it was published, and then any information. All of your patient education or whatever is going to be here under each post. So you can have anything that you want in here. If it's images or if it's slides, you can add those too. So to add a slide, we're going to go into your blog posts. Oops, sorry. This patient case, I can come back and I can edit it, and I can put any kind of information in here that I want. And that's pretty much it.